everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a big like, and also comment down below and let me know what look you want to see me do next. This is a soft smoky eye and a bold lip look, and it is full face. So if you want to learn how to get this look, go ahead and keep watching and let's get started. These are the clearance products I'm going to be using in the video. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. I'm really nervous about it, but we're gonna try it. And then I got this Nicole Miller palette. There's blush, highlight, eyeshadow, and bronzer in here. And it's got all these colors. So I'm going to be trying that out. And then I also got this Milani Stay Put purple eyeliner. So let's do this. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So first I'm going to be starting off by putting on my primer. This stuff smells like coconut. I used it in my last video too. This is the normal primer that I use. It's just the Hard Candy Hydrating Mist Primer. Also, let's take note of these lovely breakouts that I had. So that's good. That's nice. Really love that for me. Next, I'm going to be using my Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer pencil. And just using that, starting with the bottom of my eyebrow and then moving towards the end. And I'm going to brush them out with the other end. I'm going to be using my Hard Candy Look Ultimate Contour and Sculpt Kit. And I use the top shade, the lightest cream shade, and I go under my eyebrows and try to clean them up. I'm going to be taking that same top color and I'm going to put that all over my lid and use that as a base for my eyeshadow. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to be going in with the Nicole Miller palette. I think I'm going to be doing like a silverish brown and gold look today. So I'm going to first go in with this color right here, the shade. It's like a cream shimmer shade. I'm going to put that all over the lids. Alright, and then the next shade I'm going to be going in with is this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer half part of the lid. Next, I'm going to be taking this brown shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the corners of my eyelid. And it looks rough right now, but we are going to blend in a minute. Next, I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the outer crease. I'm going to be taking this Farrah blending brush and it is 35E, and I'm gonna be blending out that eyeshadow. Alright, now that that is all blended out, I'm going to be going back in with this lighter shade again down here, and I'm going to put that in the inner crease. Now that the eyeshadow's done, I'm going to be using this BB Beauty Benefit Cream by Sassy and Chic. This is the one I got from the Dollar Tree. So let's see how it works and if it is even my shade. So as you can tell, it's obviously not full coverage, but it works decently. It's close to my skin tone, so it's all right. We're gonna work with it, and let's go ahead and contour. It's definitely like a lighter coverage. I don't feel like it's caked on my face, so that's good. Next, I'm gonna be using this AOA Wonder Cover Concealer, and this stuff dries really fast, so you gotta blend it out pretty quick. Next, I'm going to be using my Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm not gonna bake today just because I don't think it'll do too much good because my foundation's already super light. Now that that's done, I'm going to use my eyebrow gel. While that's drying, I'm going to contour using the same Nicole Miller palette. Now, next I'm going to be using the same Nicole Miller palette, and I'm going to be using this blush up here, the lighter one. I'm going to be using this highlighter from the Nicole Miller palette as well, and going to be applying it to the upper cheekbones. So now that that's all done, I'm going to be using my Luxe Pen eyeliner. This same shade, but just a little bit on the tip of the brush, and then going under the lower lash line with that. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Cherry Tree, the Archer Eyebrow Kit. I'm going to be using the darkest shade, here, and I'm going to put it on my eyebrows to darken them up. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Great Lash mascara, and I'm going to finish this look by just applying that to my lashes. To finish off this look, I'm going to be going in with the Avon lipstick in the color Vamp. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know what makeup look I should do next. I will see you guys next time.